Now, Minister of Tourism Edwin Bartlett is this evening insisting that the country's tourism sector is ready to deal with the COVID-19 travel policy that will take effect as of next week, Tuesday. He said several facilities have been set up to test tourists, including at ports of entry and hotels.
Most of the hotels, especially the larger ones, I don't want to call the names, but my report from the JHTA is that all major hotels are providing the facilities. The smaller hotels are being facilitated through these centers that we're establishing in the resort areas. I made reference to that. Besides, the way the labs are distributed across Jamaica enables this. Then there's also transportation arrangements that will allow for movement of visitors from their small hotels, villas and or apartments into these centers for testing.
Starting January 26 this year, all travelers ages 2 years and older, including U.S. citizens and residents, will be required to present a negative COVID-19 test taken within 3 days before they can travel to the United States. The new travel policy has sparked fear that Jamaica's tourism product could suffer even more.
These new requirements are very, very challenging for the industry. The truth is that we already are very hampered by existing protocols, and new ones now only add to that burden. It's moving costs up, it's reducing volumes in, and it is going to have implications in terms of the viability of some of the entities. There's no question about that.